Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. Okay, we're going to do this fast. I'm going to try to get these out in like under 5 minutes. So, BitcoinDailyView.com got more for you there. Looking at Bitcoin trading view explicitly, $4.4 billion today. That is good volume. Looking at that over at cryptometer.io, it says 4.9 billion, so somewhere between 4 billion and 4.9. That's where we are. We're up 2.58% last 24 hours. Buy orders up 9.3%. And sell orders have dropped by 0.45. So in general, we have a nice sideways upwards motion with a good deal of volume for Bitcoin. Looking at the top 100 cryptos, most are in the green right now. Some got crushed initially by Bitcoin pumping, but they have caught up. So this Bitcoin pump is taking the market with it. We're at 44,746 per Bitcoin. It's a good day. Looking at spot trading volume on Binance and the other big exchanges, Binance 19 billion, Coinbase 4 billion. This is wonderful, and they're on the way up. Some are on the way down slightly, but in general, we have great spot trading pair volume. As we roll into this Friday, Binance right now has got 57 billion for derivatives. 50 is good, 60 is good, 70 is even better. So that's good enough for derivatives. That's good to see. Now, longs versus shorts on Binance right now, 39% long, 60% short for Bitcoin, so definitely a short bias. Then for Ethereum, 48% long, 51% short. It's definitely a short bias there for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Looking at crude oil coming in at 112 today, up a little bit. Dollar strength index having a red candle today, but in general sideways. S&P 500, big green candle yesterday. Today having a indecisive red candle. Same for the Russell 2000. Gold is pumping yesterday, a red candle today, and silver also pumping yesterday, a red candle today. So we'll see how those close. But in general, the market's not opening with any extreme volatility other than it's not powerfully positive like it was yesterday. Bitcoin on the weekly chart continues to approach a MACD cross towards the positive. That's going to be massive. We're now above the 618 golden pocket as I drew it here, starting looking at Bitcoin back on like 19th of July. So boom to our recent high. Now, as you can see, we bounced off the 786. We're back above the 618 golden pocket. We're going to challenge that 50 moving average soon. That is a wonderful thing. All right, looking at the daily chart, we're right now challenging that 314 moving average on the daily. That's really powerful. If we can find support above that, then the 200 moving average at around 48,000 is our next challenge, along with that 5 fib level at 49,200. So daily MACD continues to be strong, continues with a positive cross, and it is strong. We're above the 618 golden pocket. If we could finish today with support above that, that would be wonderful. Bitcoin on the 45-minute chart, as you can see, it's gotten to the 618 golden pocket. Now will it find support above that? The indicators look good. It's definitely beginning to cool off right now. It's at the top of the RSI cave here on the short time frame. That's probably why we're seeing the shorts. Would not surprise me if we're going to retrace a bit from here. SHIB looking strong, finding new support at a new high. Well, not a new all-time high, but SHIB definitely very powerful. The indicators are looking good for it. And DigiByte, this guy here, we'll see if it continues to run. Actually, at 55 cents recently. This thing is on a glorious uptrend. I traded this at the bottom when it started coming up, and now I actually got out this morning with limit orders at around 55 sats. So anyway, but this is something maybe I'm considering getting back in if it keeps support above this 314 moving average here in the top of the RSI here towards the top of the RSI cave right now. Weekend, etc. volatility. I just hopped out of it. Not sure if we're going to see this guy keep going. Anyway, DigiByte versus BTC. I'm watching this thing. I'm not sure if I want to get back into it right now, but if we do look at a daily candle, you can see this thing has been, if this guy actually could get this turnaround, this reversal, that's why I'm watching it. It has got ways and ways and ways you could go to get back to all-time highs. So if we get bullish in this market and the alts start to run, there's going to be lots of alts like this to hop on, especially low sat ones like this, just 54 sats. Wow. I mean, if it hits 100 and you put a couple thousand into it, you're doing really, really good. Well, as Swami Yogananda said, reform thyself and thou wilt reform thousands. And really, Bitcoin truth seekers, I'm glad you're here. This is the peaceful revolution. That's what it's about. Stay strong, and I will be back. I'll try to get more consistent during these, make them really, really fast. And, well, there you go. So take care, and I'll talk to you later.